downside, then came back up to retest it. This is called a break and retest. Whenever a key level is broken, then it comes back to that point to retest it, only to reject heavy off of it, man. So back testing this, I could see that 250 was once support when Tesla's stock price was higher than 250. You understand what I'm saying? It kept coming down near 250. Hold on. Y'all can see it kept coming down near this 250 range and then bouncing up. And when support gets broken to the downside, it turns into what? Resistance, because the stock will more than likely retest that area, which it did